Hi, Crafty Friends. Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum. Welcome back. So today is going to be the sneak peek at the June 2025 release from Scrapdiva. I will link everything down below that I can. This release will be released on June 5th. So on June 5th, if you come back to this video, all the links and everything will be down below. If you want to save 10% on your order, use code CHEEKYBUM. But we're going to kind of get into it because this release has a little bit of everything, like something for everyone. Like there's just so much stuff here and I can't wait to share it with you. I think that there is 18 of these or like new release die sets. So we're just gonna kind of dive in and see what we got here. So this first one, this is the Crafty Gnome add-on. I don't have the Crafty Gnome, but now I'm gonna have to get it. But even if you don't, you could still purchase this because look at all the cool crafty things that you get, and you can use this on a swap packaging, a crafty swap, anything. Like this is really, really cute. So even if you're not into gnomies, I'm not particularly a gnomey girl, but this add-on I would still purchase because you get a glue gun, you get washi tape, you get your little pliers, you get a die cut machine, you got a glue gun, and you have like punch or crocodile type of thing that you get. This is also the like that goes with the set, so you can layer these up. So this piece goes on to the die cut, so you get dimension. These two tape layers, so you have the base layer, and then you can add on this layer so you can see, you know, your polka dots in between. You have plier handles, you have the glue gun layering piece, the glue bottle label, and then this is a stamp set or like a stamp handle. So like so cute. Like how cute is this? I can't wait to play with these because this will be so cute for swaps, or if you're like, there's been some crafty swaps, but there's some crafty like My Craft Room. Is it Mente that does My Craft Room? I think that's the collection. I can't remember, but I think this is really cute. I really like this. I really think it will be cute. So that is a cute set. Next up, we have some words. These are crafty words. So these are new crafty words. So we have two different, they're swap partner words. So in this set, you get Happy Mail, ribbon, bows, swap partner, sweet treat, and flowers. How cute. I really like the font. And this is like double shadow. So you get your word, you get your stitched shadow, and then a shadow underneath that. So this is like almost like a three-dimensional word, and they're like shadow word, but I think that those will be really cute. I can't wait to play with these. Perfect for like even if you're not like a bag topper maker, like these would be perfect for simple little bag toppers. Like you just are folding over paper and you put your shadow word on there and you know exactly what you're getting. I think that they're really cute. I will definitely be making these. Like you could do like a whole little like crafty swap. So you have your craft words, your craft tools. So cute. And in this set, this is the swap partner words 2. And in this one, you get hostess, snail mail, rosette, open me, bling, and embellishments. Like, yeah, these are so cute. I will definitely be using these for my next swap. Like my next outgoing swap, like to use all those will be so cute. And this one, I'm really lusting over. This is the Swan Shaker set. I love Swan. So I think Maggie Holmes, Bridgerton, Valentine's, like there's so many different things that you can use these for. So you get 2 sizes, and you get your like wing pieces, you get your shaker layer, and then your back layer, and then they have little crowns. And you could even, if you didn't want to make it, you don't have to make it into a shaker. But how cute are those? The little hearts on the wings are precious. I've made some swans in the past, so I'm so excited about this. And I do have a Maggie Home swap coming up, so I think that these might have to be busted out so I can make some. Now this is a new box. This is the 3D fairy tale gift box. So it's a hexagon box, and it has these window layers, and then the top, and it has like this like awning. This is really cute. This is really cute, and I can't wait to play with this because you can use acetate. You could use vellum for the windows if you didn't want it to be like completely opaque. Like, this is gonna be really cute. I love making boxes and 3D projects, so this is right up my alley. So again, this is a 3D fairy tale box. And by the time you're watching this, somebody has probably already made it. So, you know, follow hashtag scrapdivadesigns, and it'll either be, there'll be inspiration definitely on Instagram and also on YouTube. So if you're interested to see what this looks like, go look it up, because I'm sure somebody's already made it by the time this is up. This is the belly band duo. So you get this oval, and you also get a heart belly band. Like, how cute will these be to put on like a chocolate bar or just a card? Like, just so many options to do this. Like, there's so many times that you like a quick belly band comes in so handy. So I like that you have the option of doing like a really like doily oval shape and the heart, because you know hearts are all year long. So that is the belly band duo. This one is, what is this one? Shabby chic corset. How cute is this? We just did a Bridgerton swap, but there's always Bridgerton swaps. So this would have been perfect for it. Think Valentine's, just Renaissance, Maggie Home. Like, there's so many different things, but this is really cute because I like that you have your body form, and you can put the corset on top. It looks like it's a tag piece, so you could make it like a cute little flip tag. You get bows, and then these doily pieces to layer up the bottom and the bust line, and there's like itty bitty little hearts. How cute is that? So that is the shabby chic corset. Next, we have a new bow set. This is exciting. Look at these cute little ruffle bows. You get 3 different sizes. Is it 3 types? Yeah. Yes. No, 2 different sizes. So I think they're double bows. Lace border bows. So I think this goes on top of this. This goes on top of this. So you get 2 size bows. Sorry, not 3. 2 sizes. So you get this size, and then one that will end up being about this size after it's all said and done. How pretty. I like that it's like multi-layered. So you get, and you don't have to use all the pieces either. You could just use the ruffly bits, or you could just use the stitch bits, or you can put the stitch bits on top of the ruffly bits and just make it so dynamic. How cute. So that is the lace border bow. And then we have another little doily set. So this is a shabby chic doily, and you get 3 different sizes. So this being the biggest one, this being the smallest one. So a lot like the one that, I mean, it's different, but it's reminiscent of the one that came out last launch or last release. But this is definitely more intricate. It definitely reminds me of like Irish or Scottish knotting. That's what it reminds me of. So this is going to be really, really pretty. And again, that is the shabby chic doily. These next ones are really cute too. So you had your back to school, and then we had like some shabby chic fairy tale type of stuff. And now we have a couple wedding pieces that are super cute. So this is the wedding dress shaker, but this doesn't have to be a wedding dress. This could be a prom dress. This could be like Bridgerton, the period piece, like so many different things. It doesn't necessarily have to be wedding. Think fairy tale, like Disney princess, like so many different options. But summertime is a big wedding time frame. A lot of people get married in the summer. So if you're doing like a wedding scrapbook or bridal scrapbook, or even just doing your like bridesmaids invites or anything like that. These could be so pretty because you get your multiple piece wedding, or like, so the base piece, your top piece, your shaker piece, and then you have your cute little hangers to hang them on as well. So that is so cute. So wedding dress shaker. And then this one is a tux, 3-piece tux tag. So this is how the tag it opens up. I like how that does that. So it makes it's like a little, I don't know, I have to put it together, but I think that it like will kind of open up. And then you can put like your little saying on the inside. I think that that's how it's going to play out, but how cute is that? So the wedding dress and the tux. And then you have this. This is the family crest banner. And immediately I went to Harry Potter and the house crest. I will definitely be making some Harry Potter house like a house banner, so for all 4 houses, but it's like multi-layered. We have 2 different stitch piece. You have your ruffle piece, you have your banner hole pieces. This looks like a trophy, so it could be like an award. It does not necessarily have to be a family crest. It could be an award. It could be so many different things, but I really like the shape of this. It's different than any other banner set that we've really gotten, or a pennant set. So I really like the shape of this, and yes, I will definitely be crafting some Harry Potter stuff with this. Next up, we have, this is the graduation cap shaker. So we're getting into like some graduation stuff. How cute is this? My son just graduated college, so I will definitely be making some stuff like for memorabilia for him. It has 3 different sizes, so a large, a medium, and a small. And the top of the hat is the shaker bit, so you could put like their school colors in there and stuff like that. So that is really cute. Next up, we have some graduation words. And then, so in this word set, you get congratulations. You get 2 different seniors. One is cursive, one is like a bold capital letter print. You get squad, you get grad, you get you did it. And it's not all connected, so they're like 3 different little words. And so you get congratulations, 2 sets of senior, squad, grad, you did it, graduate, and grad. Oh, do I have grad twice? Oh, maybe I didn't. Or maybe it says grads and grad. But those are the graduation words. And this one is a super cute mini album. This is the Grad Owl mini album. And he is so cute. Look at all the different layering pieces that you get. So you get the owl. Look at the little owl eyes. He's going to be cute. You get bows, so it can be made into a girl or a bow. You could make this into a card. It doesn't have to be a mini album. It could be so many different things. A box to put like stuff in. Just so many. I think this would be a really cute graduation card. So that is the Grad Owl mini album. And then last but not least, we have some school words. So we get 3 sets of school words. So in set 1, this is school words 1, you get best, lunch, recess, teacher, student, and graduate. Because you have like your kindergarten graduates, you get your elementary graduates, your middle school graduates, or junior high, so many different things. So if you really like to, like I have a scrapbook for both of my boys that is like kindergarten through high school, like all the way through. And I'm going to have to go back through and maybe do some more layouts with some different wording. So that's school words 1. And then we have school words 2. And this one has high, middle, college, school, welcome, and elementary. So you have like all your levels of school and your welcome. So like welcome to high school, welcome to elementary. So very, very cute. So school words 2. And then you get School Words 3. And in this set, you get You're the Best, Back to School, Star Student, Class of, and First Day of. So that you could do like first day of elementary, first day of high school. So all of these word sets really go together. So that's School Words 3. So such a diverse release. Like I said, you get a little bit of everything. Such a fun thing to do. I can't wait to play with some of these. It is a big release, but again, there's a little bit in here for everyone. So you're definitely going to have to pick some stuff up. I can't wait to start playing. Some of these are just so intriguing. Like, I love box sets. So this box is going to be a lot of fun. Again, it's a decent sized box. So the box is going to be about a 5 by 5 hexagon box, and it's going to be, depending, I don't know how this lid is going to fit, it's going to be probably about 6.5 to 7 inches tall. How cool is that? That's going to be so pretty. And these swans, I cannot wait to play with the swans. I cannot wait to play with some swap stuff. So swap words and the crafty little add-ons are such a fun little touch. This is like, I feel like these are kind of like essential things to have. I have a lot of different type of swap words, but I really like that this is like a triple layer, and I like that. I like the font, like it's a good font. So that stuff really intrigues me. And to have this stuff with it that you can put with these words, it's so fun. So fun. If you have any questions, let me know below. But this is a good, there's so many different things in here to get you started on your summer crafting and just to, craft in general over the summer. So again, this release is going to drop on June 5th. Make sure you head over to scrapdivadesigns.com to pick up all your stuff. Again, you can use code CheekyBum to save yourself 10%. But if you come back and you click on the links down below, it will take you right to them. It is affiliate links. And make sure, again, that you're following hashtag scrapdivadesigns so that you can see what everybody makes. And use it yourself. So if you're making stuff, make sure you tag it with hashtag scrapdivadesign so that we can see what you're making as well. Because there's so much inspiration. All you guys are so crafty, and everybody just has their own special touch on things. So I just love seeing it. So if you have any questions, let me know. But if not, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.